Hey guys, I'm back here with another video, and today we'll be making some cheddar broccoli soup. Okay guys, for today's ingredients we'll be using some vegetable broth, some half and half, shredded cheddar cheese, we're going to use some minced garlic, half an onion, about 4 carrots chopped, 1 medium potato chopped, and 1 bag of frozen broccoli bunches. And the bag is like 12 ounce. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open this baby up and we're gonna add in 2.5 cups of this vegetable broth. One, 2, and a half. Okay, we're gonna add our onions, our carrots, the potatoes, the broccoli, and 1 tablespoon of the minced garlic. Okie, and then we're gonna set this thing up to soup 1, okay? And then after about 18 minutes, we're gonna pause it and then add in the half and half and the shredded cheese, okay? Let's go over here and go to soup 1. And then it's gonna boil and then blend. See you in a bit. Alright guys, we're at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So at 2 minutes, we're gonna push pause. We're gonna put in our cheddar cheese and our half and half cream. "15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Hold on. Go ahead. Woo, watch it. It's hot. I almost burned myself. I did burn myself. So okay, we're gonna add. Oh snap! The cream. Watch out, guys. Somebody's a little clumsy. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this lid back on and pause again so I can resume. Do a little cleanup real quick. Got my baby dirty. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Alright, so now that it's done, we're gonna go ahead and pulse it. Okay, so let's find the pulse button. Oh, we're gonna put cancel and then pulse. And then it's gonna blend it real good. Just 1 is fine. Okay. So now, let's see what we got, guys. Okay, careful because it's hot. Okay, I'm gonna set it down here. This thing is like super creamy, guys. Let's give this soup a try. Remember, it's really hot, so make sure you blow. This soup is bomb diggity. Please like my video and remember to subscribe to my channels for more videos. And remember, only the strong subscribe.